Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Speaking AI evaluation feature so your students can get AI feedback on their speaking tests. Before we start, there are two important things you need to check. First, make sure your plugin version is 3.0 or above. If you haven't updated it yet, please check the update video in the description and follow all the steps carefully. Second, you need to add your OpenAI API key. For that, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then go to ProQyz. Under ProQyz, click on Evaluation. Now, open the API key section. Here, make sure you have added your OpenAI API key. Also, ensure that your OpenAI account has sufficient balance or credits. Now let's enable the Speaking AI evaluation. Under Evaluation option, click on the Plans tab. Inside Plans, click on the second tab, AI Evaluation. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for Speaking AI Evaluation, just below Writing AI Evaluation. Enable this option. Now, you can add the instructions that students will see on the result page. Below that, set the price for the Speaking AI Evaluation. Once done, click on Save Changes. Now let's see how this looks from the student side. Here, I'm on a test that I've already attempted as a student. After enabling the Speaking AI Evaluation option, students will see a new option here, Get AI Evaluation. Here, the student can purchase the AI evaluation. Once they complete the purchase, they will see the option to Generate AI Feedback. Now let's see how the evaluation works. Click on Generate Now. It will take a few seconds, and then the page will refresh automatically. You can either wait here or leave the page and come back later. Now, once I refresh, you can see that the AI evaluation is ready. At the top, you'll see the overall band score. Below that, you'll get detailed feedback on fluency, lexical resource, grammar, and pronunciation. Further down, each part has its own detailed feedback. For example, in Part 1, you can see the question, the student's answer, and the AI feedback. If the student finds any issue, they also have the option to request a re-evaluation. As an instructor, you can approve this request and allow another attempt. Now let's see how this looks from the admin side. Click on View as Instructor. Here, you can also see the speaking evaluation given to the student by AI. If a student reports any error, you have the tools to reset the evaluation. That's it. This is our new Speaking AI evaluation feature. Since this feature uses AI, there may be some minor inaccuracies, but we are continuously working to improve it. In upcoming updates, we are also working on more advanced pronunciation feedback. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or raise a ticket on our support portal. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!